Hey friends, up here at Swamp Creek and photographing the infamous Swamp Creek tree. If you follow me on Instagram, you probably have seen that quite a few times posted, but here it is up here at the top of Swamp Creek. Well, I guess I shouldn't say the top, but it's kind of the back side. But anyway, there's the tree and there's the old RZR. And what I wanted to do is highlight the chainsaw mounts. I get so many questions about these mounts, especially on Instagram. Anyone who comes across my Instagram page, they see these mounts, they're like, hey, you know, where'd you buy them? How'd you make them? You know, there's just constant questions about these mounts. So anyway, I did make these. It's essentially just 3/16 metal. And then, you know, of course, bent there. I mean, this is a very, very basic overview of what these are, but basically 3/16 metal, bent, and then I make a bracket with 3 screws. Thick pieces of rubber are what hold the chainsaw bar. So the main standard mount has always been across the Click 6 mounts on the roll cage. There and there. And then what I wanted to do, because when I lowered the cage 4 inches, when I dropped it, it made it harder to get the chainsaw out, you know, basically lifting it out. And so what I did was I kind of redesigned and kind of rethought the process. And what I did is I made some through bungs through the cage, there and there. And now I got this one bolted on the downspout or strut, whatever you want to call it. And so that one's, you know, more vertical, and then this one's horizontal. So the smaller saw fits a lot easier on the lower one. It's still difficult to get in and out, and then the big saw is on the down strut. I know I just did a very, very basic overview of what the mounts are, but it's a real simple design, really. Being in fabrication, it was pretty easy to use the press brake and make the bends as needed, but you wouldn't really need to. I mean, you could weld it together however you wanted, but I think the key is kind of finding these thick pieces of rubber to hold the bar. Once you got that, easy peasy, lifts right out. It's pretty cool. Up here at Swamp Creek, this is December 23rd. Up here, first time I've been up here since Veterans Day, so quite a bit of snow, but not too bad. And I think I'll probably do a video ripping the trails. What I did is I added a rear mount for the camera, so you'll be seeing some footage from that. But anyway, very, very quick basic overview of the chainsaw mounts. So looks kind of ridiculous now having 2 mounts on the old RZR, but hey, it is what it is, and it comes in handy, especially at Pratt Creek and Green Mountain. A lot of fallen trees up there, always clearing trails. So there it is. So again, this is Bullet Outdoors. If you like what I do, please subscribe. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and I'll catch you next time. Peace.